In this video, I will show you how to install the Google Meet app on Windows 11. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using Google Chrome, as this method may not be available in other web browsers. Next, go to google.com and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, then select Google Meet to open the Google Meet website. To install Google Meet as a standalone app, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then, go to Cast, Save, and Share and select Install Google Meet. Click Install, and Chrome will install Google Meet as its own desktop application. Once the installation is complete, Google Meet will open in a separate app window. Even if you close Google Chrome, the Google Meet app will remain open. You can also open the Start menu and search for Google Meet. You'll see it listed as an installed app, and you can launch it anytime just like any other Windows application. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.